in trouble. Does he? Is there a good ending to this? Good, good. David Gets in Trouble by David Shannon. When David gets in trouble, he always says, "No, it's not my fault." Is it his fault?
No, it's your mom's fault.
Or he says, "I didn't mean to."
He fell.
He fell, all right. Or he says, "It was on an accident." Well, accidents do happen, right?
It's an accident.
Yeah.
No.
He says, "Do I have to?"
No. He eats lunch and eggs.
He doesn't like eggs?
No. He's not happy. I
He's not happy. He says, "I forgot."
Uh-oh.
Did he forget? He forgot his pants?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
My dog ate my homework, he said.
He gets outside.
I wonder if that, yeah, his dog does have the homework.
He stays outside.
He says, "I couldn't help it."
I can't help it.
Couldn't help it. What are you gonna do? Poor David. He says, "I was hungry."
I'm hungry.
What's he eating?
The dog food.
Dog food? That's not good.
That's not good.
But she likes it, he says.
Oh, he's pulling his tail.
Oh, that's not good. You think that cat likes that?
No.
No.
My cat still likes that either.
Right, exactly.
Like
He says,
it's
slipped. It slipped, he says. Uh-oh, what a mess.
He's gonna have to do that.
His mom's not going to be happy, I don't think. But Dad says, uh-oh, what's that? Soap in his mouth?
Yeah.
Did he say a naughty word?
No.
Well, why did he have soap in his mouth?
Yeah.
Maybe, huh?
You think so?
Yeah, he should have said that. Excuse me. Oh boy.
What is he doing now?
Yeah, what is he doing?
What do you think he did?
He has to burp in his ear.
Was it a big burp? That food must have been good.
Oh,
No, it wasn't me.
me.
Who do you think it was?
Okay.
You think David did it?
Yes.
Yeah, and he's saying he didn't though.
He didn't.
Oh, then he's got a change of heart. He says, "Yes, it was me.
Yes, it was me.
You told the truth.
Is he crying?
I'm sorry."
It's behind him too.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mama.
You think David could do better tomorrow, the next day?
Yes.
I think he can.
He can try again.
He can try to do better. Yeah. All right. Well, that's the end of the story.